Hello guys, welcome to Solving Solutions. So in today's tutorial we are going to show you how to automate your distance and bearing plotting on AutoCAD. So most times when you have a plot and then you want to translate it or maybe replot it on AutoCAD, you have a plan and you want to plot it on AutoCAD, you use the starting coordinate alongside the distance and bearings of the different lines on the plan to get what the subsequent coordinates, right? Good, or just to replicate what you have on the plan. Now most times the way we do it, or the way we have done it on the channel, is that you set your unit to the normal survey operation unit. So having done that, the next thing is that you now try to start by clicking your polyline. Then you specify the starting coordinate. Having specified the starting coordinate, let's say 1000 easting, 2000 northings. Then you now go at the distance, then you use less than the bearing of maybe 56 degree and then 21 minutes, right? Now what we are going to show to you today is that you don't really need all of those things to be manually written or written one after the other on AutoCAD. You can actually write them on your notepad just like you have them here. So the polyline is the tool we want to use. That's underscore p line, and then the coordinate you've seen here is the coordinate of the starting point, and then you now see at distance less than bearing. So with this now you have written the command, that's the tool on the command line. You paste this, the tool, the coordinate of the starting point alongside the distances and the bearings of the different lines. So we can decide to just copy this, right click and copy, and then we minimize. We don't need to click on P line again because it's already on our script. We just right click and then we paste. You hit enter and then you close CL, enter. So it's not on your work screen yet. Just like we have on GIS, you can zoom to layer. On AutoCAD you zoom extend, that's Z enter, E enter. So having done that, you can see that your boundary has been plotted, right? Good. So this is kind of easier because you see the value you type in terms of the distance and the bearing. You can always come back to it on your notepad. If there's any mistake or any modification you want to make, you can actually rectify it and then update and then copy and paste. Now this is not the end. You can still run it as a script file. So let's save as. So we have points.scr. So that's a script, right? So what we are going to do now is that we are going to run this as a script file. So let's take a different color. So you come to tool and then you have run script, or you can just type scr on the command line and then you hit enter. Good. And then you navigate to the folder where you have stored your script file. So we have points. We open that. You now see that it has been plotted, right? So enter, and then we have our coordinates plotted. So this way we have used the polyline tool alongside the starting coordinates, alongside the distances and bearings of the different lines to help us plot our boundary. So you can copy paste or you can run as a script, and then we are going to get the same result. So we have shown you how to run in a script format distance and bearing plotting on AutoCAD. So we'll see you on the next one. Until then, keep staying safe and have a fantastic time. Bye.